In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to put together a 4-foot closet-made shelf, and this is a kit, and all that means that it comes with everything you need to install it. You don't have to buy anything extra. I do have a 4-foot shelf, wire shelf that I just put up right here. It is very sturdy, and I'm going to show you guys how to put this one up. I definitely recommend it. I have more shelving that I have up, and I love it. I plan on putting food here and everything, so these do hold up to 60 pounds of weight. So they are good to go, and this is going to be kind of like a pantry for me. So let's get into the steps. I'm going to teach you guys, how to do it step by step, what tools you need, and all that good stuff. So just keep watching. Okay, so first step, we're just going to cut all this stuff off here. Just grab some scissors. Okay, here's all the stuff we need. We have 2 wall brackets, and then we have all the wall clips that we're gonna need for this project right here. Okay, so first things first is we have to draw a straight line across the wall where you want your shelf to be. And you definitely gonna need a level, that way you make sure it's actually level. Okay, so I wanna put another shelf 18 inches on top of here, and then I'm gonna put another one 18 inches on top of there, so I have it all measured out. But now we're just going to get into drawing the straight line. Okay, so that's at the mark that I wanted at. It is level. All I have to do is draw a straight line, like so. Okay, then we're going to do it again right over here. Okay, we're just going to continue that line. Okay, so now we have to mark where we want the wall clips to go. Okay, so it's recommended that you put it 2 inches from the start, and then you put it at every 11 inches. Okay, and there's 5 of them. So we're gonna put 5. So it should be 2 inches left on the side, 2 inches left on this side, and 5 of these wall clips along the side. If you guys have a stud finder like me, you could tell where your stud's at behind the drywall. That way you're not marking, that way you're not hitting your studs, because these are meant to go inside the drywall. And then once you put the nail in here, this expands and it's an anchor, and that's how what it does. It acts as an anchor, and it's nice and tight, and it's not going to be going anywhere inside the drywall. If you guys want to use an actual screw, you're going to drill where that stud is, and then you're just going to have a screw. This kit does not come with screws, so you're going to have to buy it separately. I recommend you go with the screws if you really want it to be nice and strong. Like this one, I use screws at the bottom, so it's not going to go anywhere. This is nice and tight. Okay, so for the top, I'm going to be using this wall clip. And then on the bottom, I'm going to use screws for the bottom here and the bottom here, just to hold more weight. It is 60 pounds if you're using this, but once you use the screws, you could actually put more weight on there. Okay, so for myself, I'm going to kind of cheat because I already did it down here. But what you want to do is you're going to mark all the spots where the wall clip is going to go. Okay, here's my other one right here. And like I said, these are 11 inches apart. Okay, right here, we got one right here, then we got one right here. So all I have to do is come up, and then we're gonna screw. Actually, I have my drill, and it's gonna be a 1/4 drill bit, and that's gonna be perfect sizing for these wall clips to go in. Okay, like I said, 1/4 drill bit. Okay, now we're just gonna go right through the drywall. Okay, so now I'm going to take my 5 wall clips, and we're just going to put them right inside, just like so. You might need to push a little force in there, or you could do your handy dandy hammer. Okay, just like that, but you want to put all 5 of them in. Okay, so after you put your wall clips in, you're going to grab your nails, and you're just going to nail all 5 of them in there. Okay. Okay, so I got all 5 wall clips in here. They're nice and secure. Now we're actually gonna just put the shelf right on top of it, and we're gonna click them right in. Okay, don't forget to remove this thing. And in case you guys get stuck, it does come with instructions on the inside of this kit. Okay, so this part's a little bit harder because you're just gonna have to put a little force in it. Okay. So just like that, they snap right in. Okay, like I said, that's the toughest part, just pushing them in there. But once they're in there, they're nice and in there and they ain't going nowhere. Okay, so the next thing is we're gonna have to put these support brackets up. Okay, these pretty much just fit just like this, and then we push them back right into the wall like so. Okay, so this is the part where they give us these anchors, and so we're supposed to use the same drill bit, the 1/4. We're supposed to drill in there, we're supposed to put that in there, and then we're gonna hammer it in. But if you guys want it more secure, you need to find a stud with the stud finder like so. Find the stud, and then you're gonna drill it. Depending on what size screw you're using, you're gonna use that drill bit. You're gonna drill it in and then screw it in, and that way it's gonna be more secure and it's gonna be nice and tight. I recommend that if you're gonna be putting close to that 60-pound weight limit on there. Okay, so you don't have to do it with the screw, but you can do it with the screw to have it more secure. And like I said, it does hold 60 pounds, and each one of these wall brackets, they have to be 36 inches apart. So it's gonna be one right here, it's gonna be another one 36 inches apart from it, and they're supposed to be 6 inches on the side, and then 6 inches on this side right here. Okay, so next step is we gotta make sure it's nice and level before we mark where we're gonna be screwing our screw in. Okay, so we do it like so. Okay, and as you guys can see, you got to try to get that bubble right in the middle, and then that's when it's going to be nice and level, and it looks level right there. Okay, so once it's level, we're going to come down here, and then like I said, if you have a stud that you found, you're going to be putting a screw in here. If you're not using a stud, you're just going to drill and you're going to put the anchor right in there. Okay, so I did switch out my drill bit, and this is going to be the one that's the same size for my screw. Okay, so after you drill your hole, ready for the screw, you're gonna put this on, right? And then you just twist it like so. You're gonna line your screw up to that hole that you just made, okay? And then I do have a screwdriver, and then we're just gonna screw it in. Okay, you guys, so like I said, using the screw, this is in there so tight, like this is not going anywhere. That is very secure. Man, I gotta tell you, I love the shelf. So we're gonna put another one on this side over here. Okay, we got both of these in there. Like I said, 60 pounds. This is gonna probably hold more than 60 pounds. Got the studs in there. This is nice and secure. Let me show you guys what to do to the ends. Okay, so now for the end caps. They do come with end caps. These are them right here, but I did want to let you guys know, if you want a certain size, if you're doing this in the closet and you're working with a tight space, or if you just want to make it smaller, whatever, all you have to do is get yourself a steel saw like so, and you're going to just cut right in the middle, you know, depending on how far down you want it. Okay, once you do cut it, you know, it might be jagged, it might have a jagged edge, so that's why it comes with these caps. And all you have to do is just cap them off once you do saw it, or even if you don't saw it, like right now, I'm done. So I'm just gonna put these off to the side like so. I hope you guys learned how to install these white wire shelves. Thanks for watching.